Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. We're going to be trying out some new products today, starting with the Pixi Hydrating Milky Mist. I desperately need this right now because I've been sick for like a month and my skin is so dehydrated. The next thing I can't wait to share with you guys is this Bare Minerals Complexion Rescue Hydrating Foundation Stick. I got this complimentary from an influencer and I'm so excited to use it. And I'm just going to do half my face so you can see the difference here. And I'm actually just going to use my fingertips to blend it in. And this has amazing ingredients in it, like rich volcanic seawater, red algae, and it has SPF in it, so it really keeps our skin healthy and hydrated. It feels nothing like the other foundation sticks I've used before, not greasy at all. It's a water-based foundation, so it melts as soon as it touches your skin. And you can see the difference in my skin. I look so much smoother and healthier on this side, and that's just doing with my fingertips. This is a medium buildable foundation, so I can't wait to see what it looks like using a brush. I'm just going to start this side with using my fingertips again, just to see how it looks with just that. And I'm actually really happy with the coverage. If you're somebody that likes it super heavy on your face, covering everything, this probably isn't for you, but I like it just with fingertips, honestly. But they do say that it's buildable, so I'm going to add more on this side and use a brush just to see how buildable we can make it. And I'm going to say that with the brush, you definitely get a lot more coverage. So if you're somebody that really likes a lot of coverage, I would use a brush with this. But all in all, it's a beautiful coverage and a very healthy glow that it gives you. Not to mention the packaging is so cute and small that I can just throw it into my bag and go. And it has SPF in it and it's hydrating. It's going to be perfect for summer. So I'm just going to put on the rest of my makeup and be right back. And I'm going to be doing an eye look with the Pixi by Pietra Hello Angel palette. I just picked it up from Target. The price point was really good and I loved the way the colors looked in this palette, so I had to get it. And I'm going to start out with this color right here called Sand and blend that on my brow bone. Then I'm going to take the color Boardwalk and blend that into the crease and on the lid, leaving the center clean. Then I'm going to take the color Sunset, which has a little bit of shimmer in it, and just darken that up into the crease and onto the lid, leaving the center clean. Then smoke that all out with the color L.A. Night. Then to add a nice shimmery pop, I use the color Free on the first half of the eye. For a lower lash line, I use Urban Decay's 24/7 Glide On Pencil in Bourbon and smoked it out with the color Sunset. Then pop the color Sunny in the corner of my eye. For lashes, I'm using Lily Lashes in Goddess. And for lip, I'm using Pixi's Matte Lash Liquid Lipstick in Evening Rose. And that's it guys, here's the finished look. If you like my channel and you want to see more, please subscribe and don't forget to follow me on Instagram.